The people who stay in Borivali swear by its food, as it is not just famous but also very delicious. Allow us to show you some of the best of Borivali's food, and we are sure you will agree. This dosa is from Foodie Bites, Shimpoli, Borivali West. It is called pizza dosa because it is made and served exactly like a dosa, with colorful vegetables, cheese, mayonnaise as topping, and a crispy base of dosa. It tastes creamy because of the cheese and mayonnaise. Bipin Triple Layer Sandwich. It is officially the biggest sandwich of Mumbai. We bet you will not get a sandwich like this in the entire Mumbai because it contains pineapples, olives, baby corn, raw mango, beetroot and a whole lot of vegetables with our essential ingredients, that is cheese and mayonnaise. It tastes sweet, tangy and spicy all together because of its multiple layers. It is also topped with crispy potato chips. One single slice of the sandwich is so huge that we challenge you to put it in your mouth in one go, just like the owner does it. Shriji Stall Veg Extravaganza. This is an extravaganza of all the exotic vegetables and the rich dairy products like paneer and cheese. Our old school Sev Puri with a modern twist. These puris are topped with golden corn, olives, green pepper, onions and later topped with paneer and their secret sauce. Now the best part of the entire dish, it is set on fire with the help of a blowtorch. Later it is topped with tons of cheese and then again blowtorched to melt that cheese. To taste, it is everything in one bite. Crispy, creamy, crunchy and delicious. Located at Chamunda Circle, this is the most epic gola we have ever shown you. It contains various types of flavored syrups along with rabdi, mawa, dry fruits, milkmaid, cream and chocolate chips. This is an overflowing bowl of goodness. Har har bole kachi dabeli. Cheese lasagna pav. This amazing combination of garlic chutney, onions, spiced peanuts is cooked on a pan with lots of butter and then a whole slice of cheese is added on top of it. This is then stuffed inside a dabeli bun. It is spicy, crunchy, buttery and cheesy at the same time. Ma Anjani Pav Bhaji. When it comes to food, Borivali has lots to offer, especially Mumbai's signature dish, the Pav Bhaji. All of us would have had Pav Bhaji once in our lifetime, but this place serves Pav Bhaji in its various forms, right from Kolhapuri to Italian style.
Kanti Juice Center. This is the strawberry kingdom of Borivali. Where else will you get cream loaded with so many freshly cut strawberries? This dish is a combination of ice cream, fresh cream and tons of strawberries.
Granville IDC Kitchen. This place is a popular joint for serving South Indian breakfast near Borivali station. Their speciality is idli masala, where a gigantic idli is served on a banana leaf, then it is topped with loads of gunpowder or podi and a generous amount of ghee or clarified butter. This is to be enjoyed with their chutneys and sambar. So friends, these were some of the best foods to eat in Borivali, and we are sure that you will come here to indulge. The best way to reach Borivali is either by your personal vehicle or an auto. Do like and share this video with your foodie friends and let us know about your experience in the comment section. Also, subscribe to Things to Do for more such awesome videos. Till then, Aujo.